Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use Google Photos on your phone in 2026 step by step. Whether you want to back up your photos, organize your memories, or share pictures with families and friends, Google Photos makes everything easy to manage from one place. To get started, open the Google Photos app on your phone and sign in with your Google account if you're not already signed in. Once you're inside the app, you'll see your photos and videos displayed on the main screen in the order they were taken or saved. If you want to keep your pictures safe, tap your profile picture in the top right corner and open Photo Settings. Next, tap Backup and make sure the backup feature is turned on so your photos and videos can be saved to your Google account automatically. You can choose whether backups happen using Wi-Fi only or mobile data depending on your preferences. To find specific pictures quickly, tap the search blob and enter keywords such as people, locations, dates, pets, or objects that appear in your photos. You can also create albums by selecting multiple photos and choosing the Add to Album option to keep their memories organized. If you want to share pictures with someone else, open a photo, tap the share button, and select the app or contact you want to send it to. Google Photos also includes built-in editing tools that allow you to crop images, adjust brightness, apply filters, and improve your pictures directly from your phone. If your device is running low on storage, you can use the free app space feature to remove files from your phone after they have been backed up safely to your account. And that's it. That's how you can use Google Photos on your phone in 2026 step by step. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.